Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video we'll learn about basically how to do wiring of PIR motion sensor with light and exhaust fan. Okay, so before we start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not a subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So here basically PIR motion sensor is also called occupancy sensor. So there are two cases I have taken here to understand the wiring and its working integrated with the light and exhaust. So here I have taken, this is the layout of the toilet. Okay, here we have lights and exhaust, and these are the WC, and here wash basin. So here there is a case when the human is not inside the toilet. So as you can see over here, so this is the human which is outside the toilets. Let's place the sensor, okay, and light and exhaust fan. Now let's do the wiring. So to do the wiring, so first here we have taken one breaker, DP breaker, double pole. So this is for single phase. So here we have a 220 volt AC. So phase is that, this is the red indicated one. This phase is connected to one terminal of this PIR motion sensor, and it also required neutral. So through this we have given, and it will connect it over here. It is connected over here, and another terminal is output terminal in this PIR motion sensor or occupancy sensor we can also call. Now from here at the output, so this output will give the phase actually. So phase is directly connected to light, and from here we can loop a wire, and this is also given to exhaust fans, wall mounted exhaust fan. Okay, now these two loads, lights and exhaust fans, are getting phase from the output of this sensor. Now it also required neutral to get this on bulb and run this exhaust. So for that we can loop it from here as well. So neutral where we have taken and given to here, again to exhaust fan. So up to here we have completed the wiring. So we can do the similarly at the site as well. So this is the case one when human is outside the toilets. So at that condition, what is the condition? So this sensor is not activated actually, and at that condition light is off, even exhaust is off. So when they when there is no movement, that means it's had to be switch off, both light and exhaust. We don't want necessary to be consumed electricity. Okay, that's why we implemented PIR motion sensor or occupancy motion sensor. Now let's go to case 2. So in case 2, when man enters inside the toilet, so now as you can see over here, man is entered inside the toilets. Now when it enters inside the toilet, actually now this PIR motion sensor will sense the IR radiation, infrared radiation, in terms of temperature. When it senses, it will activate it and get the output. So here phase will provided to this bulb and exhaust, and neutral is already getting. So in this condition what happened, sensor will be activated and light on and exhaust also on, because man means someone is inside the hair, motion movement is there because of this human. Okay, So in this condition it will on. When again it will go outside from this toilet, at that time also it after certain delay over here. So let's say 10 second, after that it will get deactivated, again it will get switched off because of no movement. So in this condition also energy will be saved. So that's why we implemented the PIR motion sensor. So hope you guys understand about how to do wiring and how it will work. We can use it in wherever, inside the toilets, in commercial building, in hotel buildings, to save the energy. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. See you again next video.